What's good with y'all, man? It's your boy KP coming back at y'all another video. And today we are getting winter tires installed on the M3. So basically Germany dropped this new law where you can't have all season tires or some shit like that. Regardless, I had to get tires for the M3 because they don't make all seasons, apparently. I got to do more research on it, but I just took their word for it. But they don't make all seasons or anything like that for the M3. So because it's an offset with being 19s in the front, 20s in the back, I did have to order winter tires specifically. And basically with the German law, is like if you don't have the tires and you get into an incident, I guess regardless of whether it's your fault or not, more so if it's on your fault, but if it is your fault, but even if you get in an incident and they see that your tires are summer or all season, the wrong type of tires, you'll get fined pretty bad for it. Everything's gonna be your fault. So it's like, man, even if I'm not gonna be driving the M3 that much throughout the winter time, I'm just make sure I'm in compliance with the law, because you know, can't be breaking the law here, because Germany, they just like to go crazy. But yeah, man, here at the shop right now, waiting to get my tires installed. I did go with the Hankook winter tires. I heard that they're pretty good, and I think they're actually like the cheapest brand that can fit on the M3, other than like something specifically from like China or something like that, maybe like some super cheap China tires. But I was like, man, this car costs too much for me to be cheaping out, so let me just go ahead and get it, and then we'll see how they use, you know what I'm saying? See how they go, and then, you know, maybe during the summertime we just burn these down. But yeah, pretty much right now just waiting. We actually I don't have my keys right now. I already gave it to them inside. I had to come out to the car and grab something. But we actually got our first check engine light, which is fucking crazy. Like, we just got our first check engine light, and this is the shit. I mean, I guess this is just the welcome to BMW life, I guess, because everything just been happening, like everything, the whole nine, spending money on just random shit. But yeah, my check engine light came on, so my assumption is that it's the spark plugs. They shouldn't be that expensive. It should be like under $150 or something like that. It should be like I think it's like $100 maybe for the spark plugs. But luckily my homeboy, he actually has a set, so I guess that's just gonna be something I gotta keep in the stash for rainy days, just in case. But yeah, my boy Walt, he's gonna bring me his dongle, and I'm gonna hook it up and see what they talking about as far as the check engine light. So I've been noticing that the car has like this flutter, like it floats in between, it floats like right under 1,000 RPM, and it just like, it's kind of jumpy. And even when I'm driving, like let's say I'm driving like low speed, it feels like the car is kind of jumpy. So I'm thinking it might be like a misfire or something like that. We're gonna check it. My boy did let me know that it was gonna probably have that issue, so something he told me about already. I had to have it happen. So yeah, man, I'm gonna turn this camera off. I'm really trying to figure out how I'm gonna fit these damn tires, because you know, daddy over here, daddy mode. So, you know, I got the car seat in the back, so I'm probably gonna put one tire right there, put one tire right here, and see if I can fit two in the trunk. I don't know how that's gonna work, but we gonna figure it out. And if I got to, I'll just leave the tires here and come and get them. But I'm getting my tires, boy. I ain't finna play with me. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go in here and chill out and just wait until they get done. And shit, after that, we're gonna have winter tires, so we're gonna be set for the winter time. Just to give y'all a quick little update as well, there are some modifications coming to the car. It's crazy. I thought the first modification was gonna be like 10 or some shit like that, but it just kind of lined up to where like I'll get the tires done first, and next week we should be having tint coming, so it'll be a very, very easy process for that. Going 5% tint on the back. You know, tint is illegal on the front in Germany, so you know we will not be tinting illegally. We will do a tint strip, but that's gonna be legal as well. I will not be violating any German laws, so yeah, man. But let's get inside, man, because it's raining. All right, man, we got the winter tires on now, as y'all can see. Got the wheel cleaned up, got the hand cooks on there. These are my rear tires, so it's really not a lot of tread left, but I'm still gonna keep them because I can burn these out. I ain't really tripping on that, so I'm gonna keep them, use them for next summer, and probably just burn them down completely. But those are my back tires, and then I got my front tires, so these are still good. I ain't gotta worry about that. But next summer, man, next summer I'm gonna have to buy some new rear summer tires. So I ain't tripping on it too much. But yeah, man, she mounted up, and I gotta make sure. Let's see, my spacers. I think he already took. Oh, he got the bolts out of there. Yeah, man. We back in business. Back in business. Now I just gotta get my shit looked at from the for this code, and then we should be good after that. But yeah, man. Until we get it back down, I'm gonna turn the camera back off. Motion. She's back in the game. Yes, sir, ski. She's back in the game. Man, that bitch look good. So good. Man, let me pay these folks so I can get up out of here, man. I'm ready to drive my baby. Oh. And we back in action, man. We are back in action. We are back in motion. Sounds so good, man. Gotta love it. All right, man. So we are back in motion. We got tires. I don't know what my screen look like this. But we are back in motion. We got tires. Now we just got to get this check engine light looked at, man. I ain't gonna lie. We got and that's resetting the tire pressure right now. So that's being done. But yeah, man. That shit was like 1050, something like that. Damn. I ain't gonna lie, I don't know. I really don't remember what the car sounds like on the outside. I really don't remember what it sounds like when it backfires. I ain't gonna lie. I just know this shit loud. At least that's what my boy told me. He told me my shit was kind of loud. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, I'll turn into a whole POV. But that's not what we here for, man. I'm about to turn this camera off because I do need to stop and take these tires out. As y'all can see, I do got tires right here. I got tires in the back seat. I gotta drop these shits off, man. So I'm gonna turn this camera off and make my way to the crib. And yeah, man. Till next time, man.
Man, hit the motherfucking button! Uncle, hit the button! What did you do? You want me to get out, nigga? You want me to hit